Welcome to Cloud Security Training Crash Course by TONEX Training. Price, $2,999. Course number, 6001. Length, 3 days. Cloud Security Training Boot Camp by TONEX gives specialized points of interest on data, information, and capacity security in the cloud. All parts of verification, privacy, honesty, accessibility and security dangers and alleviations are secured. IaaS/PaaS, SaaS, SPI, for framework, stage, and programming as an administration demonstrate, security as an administration viewpoints are talked about. The course addresses put away information classification, cloud supplier tasks, personality and access administration in the cloud, accessibility administration and in addition protection. TONEX Cloud Security Training Crash Course or Boot Camp. TONEX Cloud Security Training Crash Course is a bootcamp style, is serious, 3 days in length learning encounters that cover the basic components of cloud security. Boot camps are perfect for occupied experts who need to remain current in their fields however have restricted time to be far from the workplace. All boot camp includes experienced instructors including senior technology leaders, project managers, technical authors, engineers, educators, consultants, course developers, and CTOs. Real-life examples and practices. Small class size. Personalized instructor mentoring. Pre-training discussions. Ongoing post-training support via email, phone and WebEx. Who should attend? This course offers you detailed information on cloud computing security. Ideal for IT professional, information security and privacy practitioners, business managers, tech service providers, people interested in cloud networking and security. Objectives: review the current state of data security and storage in the cloud, including confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Learn about the identity and access management (IAM) practice for authentication, authorization, and auditing of the users accessing cloud services. Discover which security management frameworks and standards are relevant for the cloud. Understand the privacy aspects you need to consider in the cloud, including how they compare with traditional computing models. Learn the importance of audit and compliance functions within the cloud, and the various standards and frameworks to consider. Examine security delivered as a service, a different facet of cloud security. Course outline. Introduction to Cloud Computing. Cloud Computing Security Framework. Cloud Security Reference Model. Overview of Cloud Security Risks. General Cloud Security Challenges. Cloud Security Control Model. Governing in the Cloud. TONEX Cloud Security Recommendations and Roadmaps. Introduction to Cloud Computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud deployment models. Cloud computing reference architecture. Technical description of cloud. Layers. Clients. Applications. Platforms. Infrastructure. Servers. Building cloud networks. Virtualization overview. Federation, presence, security, and privacy in the cloud. Cloud computing standards and best practices. Deployment models. Public cloud, security, and access control. Managing end user access to cloud computing. Assets supported by the cloud. Data, applications, functions, processes. Cloud computing security framework. Security issues associated with the cloud. Dimensions of cloud security. Infrastructure security. Security and privacy. Data security and storage. Identity and access management. Security management in the cloud. Physical and personnel security. Availability. Application security. Privacy. Audit and compliance. Business continuity and data recovery. Logs and audit trails. Unique compliance requirements. Legal and contractual issues. Cloud security reference model. Types of assets, resources, and information being managed. To manages them and how. Which controls are selected and how they are integrated. Compliance issues. Software as a service, SaaS. Platform as a service, PaaS. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Introduction to cloud computing. Defining cloud computing. Delivering services from the cloud. Building a business case. Calculating the financial implications. Preserving business continuity. Migrating to the cloud. Technical considerations. Planning the migration, access control and cloud. Exploiting software as a service, SaaS. Exploiting platform as a service, PaaS. Exploiting infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Accessing IaaS. Overview of cloud security risks. Loss of governance. Lock-in. Isolation failure. Compliance risks. Management interface compromise. Data protection. Insecure or incomplete data deletion. Malicious insider. Redundancy, disaster recovery. Network management. Modifying network traffic. Privilege escalation. Social engineering attacks, impersonation. Loss or compromise of operational logs. Loss or compromise of security logs, manipulation of forensic investigation. Backups lost, stolen. Unauthorized access to premises, including physical access to machines and other facilities. Theft of computer equipment, natural disasters, vulnerabilities. General cloud security challenges. Email and web security. Granular email and web controls. Data loss prevention, DLP. Real-time transaction level reporting. Trusting vendors' security model. Customer inability to respond to audit findings. Obtaining support for investigations. Indirect administrator accountability. Proprietary implementations can't be examined. Loss of physical control. Securing cloud provisioning services. Securing cloud data storage services. Securing cloud processing infrastructure. Securing cloud support services. Cloud network and perimeter security. Distributed DOS protection. VLAN capabilities. Perimeter security, IDS, firewall, authentication. Virtual zoning with application mobility. Cloud security control model. Applications. Data and information. Management. Network. Trusted computing. Compute and storage. Physical. Compliance model. Security as a service. Managing identity in the cloud. Securing public clouds. Securing private clouds. Securing community clouds. Securing hybrid clouds. Data center operations. Incident response. Encryption and key management. Identity, entitlement, and access management. Virtualization. Security as a service. Governing in the cloud. Governance and enterprise risk management. Legal issues, contracts and electronic discovery. Compliance and audit management. Information management and data security. Interoperability and portability. Infrastructure security. The network level. The host level. The application level. Data security and storage. Aspects of data security. Data security mitigation. Provider data and its security. Risk assessment. Risk assessment process. Policy and organizational risks. Loss of governance. TONEX cloud security recommendations and roadmaps. Identity and access management. Trust boundaries and IAM. Cloud authorization management. Cloud service provider IAM practice. Security management in the cloud. Availability management. Access control. Security vulnerability, patch, and configuration management. Privacy. Laws and regulations. International laws and regulations. Audit and compliance. Internal policy compliance. Governance, risk, and compliance, GRC. Auditing the cloud for compliance. Security as a cloud service. Key control areas. Confidentialities. Resistance against threats. Control details. Request more information. Call TONEX today, 1-972-665-9786. Visit www.tonex.com.